ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಥಾಗತ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿ ಬಿಲೋ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ದ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದು ಆರ್ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಆರ್ ಸಿರೀಸು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವರ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. In vacuum, a brick and a feather both fall at the same rate because option 1 ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The force of gravity acting on both of them is the same. Second one, it is easy to carry the same amount of water in two buckets, one in each hand than in a single bucket because option A ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ equal weights on two hands resist rotation. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ದ ವೀಕೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್, ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರೇಸಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಿಕ್ ಪಾತ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, barefoot fireworkers are not harmed when they walk on the burning charcoal because of. Here answer is low conductivity of charcoal, but the correct appropriate answer will be the contact between foot and the burning charcoal. So none of the above can be the answer, but we have to wait for the what KPSC considers it as right option. Here either A or D. Next, sixth one, a mixture of ethanol and water can be separated by. Option D, 4 fractional distillation. Fifth one, acetyl salicylic acid is used for painkiller. It is a painkiller and also antiseptic, means fever. During fever also acetyl salicylic acid is used. Next, eighth one, the chemical component of the thermocol is polystyrene. Which of the following is not a primary pollutant? Means they have asked for secondary pollutant. Which is the secondary pollutant? Ozone is a secondary pollutant. Which of the following is used to clean up oil spills? Option A, Bacillus subtilis is the right answer. Next, 11th, the permanent executive means it is a civil servant. Civil servants are called as a permanent executive. They or others are a temporary executive. Next, 12th, which constitutional amendment has provided a law for the adjudication of dispute related to public servants? Option A, 42nd Amendment Act. When was the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal established? 6th October 1986. Which type of communication is called as a public relation? Interpersonal communication. The scheme of integrated financial advisor was introduced in all the ministries of the government of India in which year? Correct answer is October 1975 they have introduced. By 1976 all ministries has occupied an integrated financial advisor has been appointed. Next, 16th one, the word bureaucracy was first used by Vincent D. Gournay. Option 2. Max Weber given the bureaucracy theory, but word used by Vincent D. Gournay. Next, 17th one, in which country the ombudsman first started? Sweden. Where is the administrative staff college of India situated? Hyderabad. 19th one, which type of training prepares the future recruit for the service? It is a pre-entry training. Next, 20th one, sorry for some disturbances. 20th question, Parliament exercises control over delegated legislator through the Committee of Parliament. 21, dispute between state in India come to the Supreme Court under which jurisdiction? Option D, fourth one, original jurisdiction. Audit report of Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG, related to account of union shall be submitted to the President of India. President tables at the Parliament. 23rd, special status of Hyderabad state of Karnataka with respect to Hyderabad Karnataka HK region, in which year? 98th amendment of 2012. 24th, next, residuary power means a subject not included in the center, state and concurrent list, which are not listed now, they are called as a residuary power. Residuary power vested on the union. Next, 25, which article of the constitution enables the establishment of National Commission for SC and ST? Article 338. Who among the following draws the salary from Consolidated Fund of India? CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General. Who recommends the President the distribution between the central and the state government of the net proceeds of taxes collected by the center? 27th, option B, Finance Commission is the right answer. Option B, Finance Commission. 27th, Finance Commission. 28, under which article does the governor appoint the Anglo-Indian to the Legislative Council? Article 333. Option 3 is the right answer. 29th, which constitutional amendment has reduced the age of from 21 to 18 years for the voting rights? Option 3, 61st Amendment Act. 61st Amendment Act. Which year? You comment below. 30th question, the Article 113, appellate jurisdiction. Here correct answer is civil matters only. Option A is the right. Option 1 is the right answer. Collective socio-economic objective of the citizen of India are enshrined in option 2 DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy. 32nd, mental ability question. Here we will tell only answer. Detailed solution will be followed by the another video. 32, option 4, 28 kg. 33, 2700 rupees, option 4. 34, option A, 100%. 35, correct answer is 6%. Option 2, 6%. 36, correct answer is option B, 10 kg. Option 2, 10 kg. Next, 37, option 3, 1:3. 38, they are asked here photograph, so carefully. Option D, Reena is the right answer. 39th, option 3, niece. 40th question, option A, southeast. 41, option 2, 11:25 p.m. Next, 42, 15 kilometer, option 4. Next, 43, 25th and 21st, option 3 is the right answer. 44th, option C, 120. 45, National Sports Car Day is celebrated on 29th August. To commemorate which sports personality, you comment below. 46th, option 46th, Bhimrao Ambedkar International Sports Stadium situated in Faizabad, UP. Next, 47, which is the biotechnology company that is not in Karnataka? Dr. Reddy's laboratory, it is in Hyderabad. Choose the mobile apps released by Revenue Department. Here correct answer is Revenue Department, option 1, Aptamitra, Contact Tracing, Bhumi, Mojini and Nada Kacheri. 48th will do. Choose the 48 then. Option 1 is the right answer. 48. 49. In BT cotton and BT brinjal, what is the meaning of BT? It is a Bacillus thuringiensis. 50. Which human protein was produced successfully? Which human protein produced successfully in the recombinant bacteria for the first time? Option D, insulin. In plant tissue culture, generally which plant part is used for the production of virus-free plant? 51. Option B, meristem. Who is the first women cricketer completed 7,000 ODI runs? Mithali Raj. Mirabai Chanu related to which sport? Weightlifting. In third Indian boxer who have won bronze medal at Olympic, Lovlina Borgohain. Environment Management and Policy Research Institute of Karnataka is located in which city? Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the right answer. 56th, 25% of which species population of India is seen in Karnataka? Elephant. Cooperative movement in Karnataka started in which year? 1905. 58. Who was the chairman of first finance commission constituted in Karnataka? Dr. G. Timmaya. Which committee recommended a conversion of Mysuru Provisional Cooperative Bank into Central Bank? Lalubhai Samaldas Committee. See, if you don't know for this year, you can do the elimination trick. Ashok Mehta and Balwant Rai are related to Panchayat Raj institution and local self-government. Tendulkar committee is related to poverty estimation. So, option 1 will be the right answer. Which is the India's second largest milk cooperative society? KMF, Karnataka. Which of the following is a nodal agency implementing all state and central government scheme in Karnataka? Rajiv Gandhi Rural Housing Corporation, established in 2000 in Karnataka. 62. Which of the following was the first cooperative society in Karnataka? Kanaginahala. Most repeated question. Which of the following was the recommendation committee headed by Kondaji Basappa? Here all the above is the right answer. Related to local self-government, Gram Swaraj. Which committee provide for the establishment of new cooperative society, which scheme? Here none of the above is the scheme. Means all three are scheme related to different beneficiaries. So here 64, none of the above may be the right answer. 65. What are the main component of fiscal policy? 65, option A is the right answer. Which ministry recently in October 2021 launched an e-national level awareness program called Sambhav in India? Sorry for inconvenience. It is related to Ministry of MSME. As on October 16, 2020, the total membership of IMF is 190. Next, what is the theme of Economic Survey 2021? 2020-2021, 68, saving lives and livelihood is the right answer. 69, despite the COVID-19 crisis, which sector has remained silver lining? Agriculture sector. Consider the following statement. Here statement 1 is correct, statement C is correct, statement according to statement B, here they have interchanged the numbers. It is 49% for the central government and 21% for the state government. So option second statement will be wrong. So according to option 3, A and C will be the right. Sudarshan Sen committee was seen in the news. It is related to asset reconstruction company. As per the Human Development Index, out of 189 countries, answer is 131. India's rank is 131. At present, Vice President of Niti Aayog is Rajiv Kumar. According to the World Happiness Report, least happy country is Afghanistan. You can guess that one. According to Union Budget 2021-22, the foreign direct investment permitted in the insurance sector is 74%. Operation Green is related to horticulture crops, means better remuneration of price to horticulture. Actually, from top to total, the scheme brief is. You tell me in the comment what is top and what is total. 77. Which of the following is not a component of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyana Yojana 2.0? PM E-Vidya is a scheme program of Ministry of Education. 78th, which state government state road transport corporation has introduced Avtara scheme? Karnataka. During which season does Karnataka state receives the highest amount of rainfall? It is in summer season. Which of the following river basin covers the largest catchment area? Krishna river basin in Karnataka. Which of the following type of soil covers largest area in Karnataka? Red soil. See, largest, biggest is the most famous question in this paper. In which part Karnataka state dry and deciduous for trees are more predominant? 82 south and southeastern. Option B is the right answer. 83. Which of the following district has the maximum amount of traditional well irrigation? Traditional well irrigation is highest in Belgaum. Option 2 is the right answer. Next, in which year the Malnad Area Development Board MADP established to reduce the regional imbalances in Karnataka state? Option B, 1991. 1991, sorry. 85th, we'll continue. Which of the following river flows through western side of Karnataka state? Here, Kali, Bedti and Sharavati. In which region Karnataka is a intensive method farming practiced? It is in irrigated area. 87. The Suez Canal, one of the most busiest shipping canal in the world, belongs to which country? Egypt. Which bird has reached the brink of extinction by various ringtones used by mobile phones? Sparrow. 89. The first airport powered by solar energy was Cochin. What were the works created by Ganga's ruler Shivamara? Option B, Gajastaka and Setu Bandhan. 91. In which century was the Kailasnath temple of Ellora built by Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna I? 8th century. Who declared Ibrahim Roza as a Taj Mahal of South India? Cousins. 92. Option 3. Cousins is the right answer. In which style is the Central College of building in Bengaluru built? It is a Gothic style. Malik Agnimitra of Kalidasa mentions about Shungaj. Next, Devi Chandraguptam is written by Vishakadatta. Select the correct chronological order. Megasthenes is the first foreigner who visited India. So option 1 is the right answer. 97. Alburquerque, the Portuguese governor, built the fort at Batkal with the permission from Krishnadevaraya. Which was the first Indian state annexed by the British under the policy of doctrine of lapse? Satara. Delhi Sultan was the who advocated a divine right theory of kingship was? 99. Option D is the right answer. 99. Option D is the right answer. Balban. Kakori train conspiracy, last question, is organized by Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil. Okay, if you like the video, share with your friends and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.